Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? So, what's going on, my sweet brother? What's going on? A lot of Zilliqa holder tell me to we are going to sell it. What are you doing, man? I cannot suggest you. I cannot recommend you to please sell it. This is very bad time, but I cannot say this. This is selling time because Zilliqa is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So remember this, okay, before you sell it. Okay, so this time you can see here Zilliqa is completely goes down. What we do in this critical situation, why Zilliqa goes down, everything discussed and this video. Keep watch, don't skip this video. And if I request you, please, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. For latest update, I updating you every good news or bad news. You just click on the subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, and also like video if you enjoy it. Okay, so Zilliqa holder. Zilliqa holder as one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Everybody know this. And those days Zilliqa has gone very fastly, but sometimes they gone very badly. They gone dump. They take a dump. So this is absolutely very bad result for my brother. But this time you can see here. This is the last 1 hour chart. I gonna show you the three charts this time, but this time I just show you 1 hour first of all to what's going on in the last 1 hour. You can see here the last 1 hour change as 1.02% gone up. So this is a terrible, this is very good chance, this is positive, this is good. You can see here and the price, sorry, this is you can see here in the price as 0.210942 US dollar as the latest price, guys. If you note this price, please note this price and this chance. This is very important for the decision which we at the end. This time you can see here the graph is the highest 0.2105 US dollar as the rate. You can see here this time. So I hope they're going up like a rocket and just an upcoming days. So let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the previous days. Absolutely, the Zilliqa holder is right. They tell me to this, they are totally and losing what we do. So I tell you to what you do. Please keep watch this video. Okay, this time you can see here in the last 24-hour result as a negative minus 2.71%. They're going down. This is very bad, absolutely very bad result. You can see here, and the price as an increase. I think the price those days the last 1 hour absolutely decreased. Why they decrease? This is one big reason. I already said in my previous video. If you gone, so check it out on my channel, please watch at a very important. Okay, so this time you can see here the last one day, the last 24-hour. Please also remember this change and this price. Okay, so let's check out the last 7 day last chart, then we decide to this is selling or holding time. Oh my goodness, Zilliqa holder is gone very fastly. You can see here the chant as plus 13.75%. I can't believe this chant, absolutely. And the last 7 days every cryptocurrency as in the lost goes down. Crypto market totally goes down, and the last previous 2 days crypto market 10 billion US dollar loss, and Bitcoin especially very high loss. So guys, if you can see here this time, you can see here the price as 0.224829 US dollar as the latest price. So congratulations, the price is increasing day by day, but this time at the last hour price has gone down. This is one big reason, and this is the start of month. I hope in upcoming days they're gone like a rocket. The chart is absolutely very mind-blowing. They cannot take a dump this time. This time they take a dump, but 1.18 is the latest price. You can see here this time price has come down to 18 US dollar, but again they take a big jump and the price is go to 0.224829 US dollar. So I hope in upcoming days Zilliqa gone like a rocket. What you say, can Zilliqa gone like a rocket? My opinion is that this is a no, this is a buying time. If you have any plan to buy more, than buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit at the end of this month. What you say, can they make you a millionaire? I hope they make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel, and if you need this type more informative video, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, press the bell icon.